Throughout your studies and your career as a developer, you will often need to use the terminal or command prompt. Now, luckily, VS Code has an integrated terminal, which means we don't have to keep switching back and forth between our VS Code window and our terminal window. To open a new terminal, let's use the command palette, and we simply type in create terminal. Here we're going to choose create new integrated terminal, hit enter, and we have a terminal window here. Now, depending on your operating system, your terminal may look more or less like mine. Now, it's already great that we have one integrated terminal, but there are many occasions where you're going to need multiple open terminals at the same time. For example, if you have a development server running in a terminal, you won't be able to run commands in that one, so you'll need another terminal to be open. Luckily, VS Code has thought of this, and we have a few choices. We can add a new terminal here with this plus button. That opens it up in this drop-down menu here. We can then click the bin icon to close that terminal. Or we can click the split terminal button here, which gives us multiple parallel terminals at the same time. So here, for example, I can be in my images folder, I can be running commands here, and then I can switch over to this terminal and run commands over here. And the more you get into your studies and your career, the more you'll appreciate the fact that VS Code has an integrated terminal.